In 3 minutes or less, let me show you exactly how to be what they call a trader, but let me show you how to generate passive profits with software, as opposed to looking at charts and drawing lines and guessing, also known as gambling. Now, I got nothing against gambling, but I do like to stack the odds in my favor, and software does that. And really, it's just a couple easy steps. Here's my website, myfxsoftware.com. Trade smarter with next-gen Forex software. A couple options on the page here. You can get access to my Telegram results, which I publish videos and results on a daily basis, or you can come right into the trading community. And the simple steps are this. You go get a broker account, which is free. I give you a reference list. It's simple. Next is you need a free app. Notice how I'm using the word free a lot? Yeah, the app is free. It's called MetaTrader. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. I prefer version 5. Your broker will give you a free demo account. It's not real money, but you can test out the effectiveness of the system. You then take that demo account information that they give you. Again, it's all free. You plug it into my software system, which is just a simple online form. You type in your information and you're trading. Let's look at some trades. Here's an account looking back at the last 2 days worth of profits, fully automated. Every one of these trades, and there's dozens and dozens and dozens of them. And before I even say how much, know this. I was out living my life and or sleeping when all of this happened. I never looked at one chart. I never made one emotional decision. Software is incredible. It has no emotions. Now, for the average person, it's hard for them to create something like this, to optimize the software, to make it work consistently. But that's what I do. That's what I did. And that's the value you get access to. If you look at this account, $1,321.70 in the last 2 days. Again, this is my account. It's not financial advice. It's software. If you were so inclined to plug your free demo account from a free broker into my trading system, you'd see these exact same trades at whatever level you want. I'm bidding what I'm bidding. You can bid more. You can bid less. You can make more. You can make less. You could take more risk or less risk. It's completely up to you. This is software. This is not financial advice. However, I will put this out there. This does make the concept of passive profits pretty real, and you can see it for yourself. No hocus pocus, no looking at charts, no drawing lines, no guessing where the price is going to go next. And unlike this guy I took a screenshot of this morning just scrolling through TikTok, look what he wrote on the board. Trading for beginners. He says $2,400 today. It just writes down a number. Maybe not as accurate as the actual results I showed you, but it's real. Guess what I did? And I want you to try this yourself. If you want to get into trading, passive profits, I'm not even really making this because people want to be traders. Nobody wants to be a trader. You know what they want? They don't want to trade. They don't want to look at charts. They simply want to generate some profits on autopilot. All those words we're not allowed to say. Not allowed to say passive profits. Not allowed to say automated. But it couldn't be more real. Pretty easy for you to go to myfxsoftware.com and check it out. Find out if I'm serious, if I'm factual, or if I'm crazy, like this guy. Here's what I said to him. I said this one thing, you can try it yourself. Ask them this one question. Can you show us a trade? That person, whoever this is, blocked me within 15 seconds. Blocked. Why? Just because I asked them if they could show me a trade? Because the point is, they can't show me a trade. And they don't want all of the people that are watching to know that they can't show them a trade. Here, let me show you how these people make themselves and make you think that they look really smart. It's as simple as this. They pull up a chart. We're looking at the current pricing data, 15-minute chart, EuroCAD. If they scroll back and they do this. So now they're looking at historical data. They will start drawing areas of interest on the chart. They'll try to make you think that there's some sort of pattern going on here and that they knew that pattern. They memorized it because they understand candles and wicks and pricing, when the truth is they don't. What they will then tell you is that if you just placed a buy order at this area of interest that they'll draw on the chart, and you know what you say to yourself as an unsuspecting person? You look at this and go, wow, this person knows the future. I'm going to follow this strategy of drawing boxes on a chart, and I'm going to win. And the fact is, you're not going to win doing anything manually in the 21st century. Speaking of winning, if you want to win, even if you're one of those insanely skeptical people, all you have to do is come on over to myfxsoftware.com, Telegram results, or get started trading, plug into the system. Again, a broker account's free. It's free to set up a demo account. You'll figure it out real quick whether this is real or not. you'll figure it out real quick. Whether the results that I post on a daily basis to the Telegram channel, you'll find out if they're real because you'll be able to compare them to your exact account. And you'll say, I get it. I finally get it. I don't have to watch people draw on whiteboards. You don't have to be blocked as soon as you ask them if they're in a trade because they're not in a trade. Imagine if I showed my results every day on a whiteboard by just drawing a number. That's how much I made today, as opposed to this, which is looking at actual trading results. These are the actual trades. I can expand this. You can see the pricing. You can see when I went in and when I went out. It's incredible. And right now, the entire world, you are being lied to by charlatans that draw lines on historical data as if they knew what was going to happen. They don't. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't care. My software is handling everything 100%. So that's it. You owe it to yourself to check this out if you've ever wanted any sort of results like this. If you've ever wanted to earn more and work a lot less, maybe even zero work other than the initial setup. So leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Let's engage. Release the skeptics, and I'll see you in the next video.